Packs are live, guys. They are live. Yes, at the depot, online, they are live. Should be at the stores as well. Only for this one, I tried the Milwaukee one. It doesn't work. But this one is live. So go get them, guys. Makita holiday season and Black Friday deals already live. Buy one, get one free. So this one you got, the picture doesn't show it, but you got the two 5 amp hour batteries, a starter pack, and you're gonna get the free tool with that too. It is $234. It should be $199, but it's still $234 as of now. But yeah, it's live. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this video. You go down here to the free gift with purchase. You're going to be able to select from the router. This is the compact router valued at $159. You can select the 6.5 circular saw, the general purpose circular saw valued at $139. The jigsaw valued at $179. You can select the reciprocating saw valued at $139. The barrel speed oscillator multi-tool blade valued at $139. Or you can select the cordless ratchet. This is a 3/8 and 1/4 inch 18-volt LXT ratchet valued at $169. And those, I believe that's it for this one. Let me see if I can go back. Get you guys the other one. So I do have another one. Let me just, excuse me. All right, and yes, guys, the circular saw is back. It is a good, crazy deal. I'll leave you guys the link to both of these. It's $359. Not really is that price, but if you guys free gift with purchase, you can select the free batteries with it. Add to cart, and you're gonna see the price for the circular saw. So $121 for the two batteries, the two 5 amp hour batteries. That's a killer deal. But check this out, $137, guys. $137 for the rear handle circular saw. That's a killer deal, guys. Go get them. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more tool review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.